So right here on your WIX head editor, you can just go to your left of your screen and then click on the pages and menu. Right here on the side menu, you can just choose any page that you want to copy. For example, I want to copy my home page right here. As you can see, it consists of the video, the header, some text, and some image. And what you want to do on the specific page, click on the three dots right here, and then click on copy. And keep in mind that if you find your page doesn't have a copy option, it means that the page cannot be copied to another site. For example, my blog right here, I cannot find copy, then it means it cannot be copied to another site. But if I click on Lullaby right here, I can do a copy on it, and so on. And after you click on copy on the specific site, you can go to your dashboard by clicking right here on the site at the top left of your screen, and then click on My Dashboard, which will take you to your dashboard. And then right here, you can just go to your top left of your screen, and then click on WIX logo right here. On the sites, you can just choose any destination site that you want your page to be pasted into. For example, I want to paste my home page to this base GIF you can imagine right here. And then if you don't have any additional site right here, you can just choose the create new site at the top right of your screen to make a brand new website. And after you choose the specific website to paste into, just click on select and edit site. And right here on the dashboard, you want to click on edit site at the very top right of your screen. At the WIX dashboard right here, you can just go to your left side of your screen and then click on the pages and menu again. And then right here on the side menu, you can just do a right click on it. And then you can choose between the paste or paste and apply site theme. If you choose on this paste, it means that you will apply the color and the font from your previous site. And then if you choose on paste and apply site theme, it means that you will apply the color and the font from your recent site to your page. What I suggest is just click on the two of them on paste and apply site theme right here. And as you can see, there are two copies of home that contains the video, the header, the text, and the image from my previous site. And then you can see for yourself which one is the best between this one and this one. And then if you want to delete one of them, just click on these three dots right here and then choose on delete. And that's how to copy a page to another site on WIX. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.